Next up, hit and run for White Lotus. We need to run over 16 enemies and refuel and repair the vehicle at a gas station. For this, you'll simply need to locate pretty much any vehicle, and it should be obvious enough how to complete the first part of this mission. I've already done 14 of the 16, so I'll get the last 2 here, as simple as that. Then we need to take our damaged vehicle to a fuel station and repair it. So they look like this. Little gas station icons. I'll drive across to the closest one, though do note they are usually pretty protected. There are tons of AI that you'll need to finish before you're able to park the vehicle, so it's a pretty good idea to park it a little bit further away, assuming you don't run into angry players. Okay, so respawning and grabbing another vehicle. You can do this in multiple parts. You don't have to by any means do all of these in one game, especially driving over all the enemies. There we go. So, navigating across to a fuel station. There's one over here. In fact, this one's a little bit busy. Yeah, I can do it here. There we go. Bringing it into a fuel station, simply stopping it and waiting for the repair to complete. Just like that, you'll see mission complete, hit and run. Very simple. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobi here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!